Hi guys, let's find out how to enable and set up notifications in Gmail. Subscribe to Guide Mentory and let's go. So let's open the Gmail application and tap on the three bars at the top left. Now scroll all the way down to Settings and select the account for which you want to set up notifications, because you have to set up notifications for each account separately. So let's select this account, scroll down to Notifications. First, make sure they are turned on, or maybe you wish to receive high priority notifications only. Now set up your inbox notifications, notify once or notify for every message and so on. Manage labels, or make sure that notification sounds are enabled, because they have one option which is named silent. So make sure your sounds are enabled. Tap on Done here. What else? You can manage notifications and have more settings here. So make sure everything here is up to your preferences. And one more thing, make sure that notifications are enabled for Gmail on the system level. Let's go to System Settings from here or from the control panel. Now you need to scroll down to Notifications, App Notifications, and find Gmail. They are enabled. Now tap on Gmail. Make sure that sounds are enabled. All badges are up to your preferences and so on. And that's pretty it. This is how you set up your Gmail notifications. Hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.